Okay, we are looking at JBL device. This here is a Flip 4, and so the first indication that your battery is shot is that your charge thing does never stop, and it does not go all the way up to 5. You know, the last one it tries the 4, and it does never go to the 5. Now, if I unplug my charger and I turn it on, it doesn't turn on. That's funny though. No, it does. Look. So, but it shows 5 after you turn on. So then you think, oh yeah, this is charged. But in this device, the battery is shot, and we are going to show you how this looks like. So I'm going with my phone, and I just play my songs here, and I do it pretty loud. You can hear it clicking. There's like a clicking noise to it. And then you see here, when it comes that, you hear this noise. It sounds very, very bad. So I'm going to turn down the volume. When I have the volume down, then I gain battery again. Oh no, this is now really down in the voltage. So the speakers are clipping because the amplifier does not have enough power to keep up with the full volume. And when you hear that noise, that's crackling noise, then you know that's a bad shot battery. It's bad for the drivers to have that happening to them. And the speaker will shut down on its own if you do this long enough. You see that? It's shut down. It just turned off because there was not enough battery available to keep this running. So that's how that sounds like when the battery is shot, and that's how you know a device like this has a bad battery. The only thing you can do there is to replace it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you can check out my other videos where I show how to replace the battery.